Hi everyone, welcome to the playlist on backtracking. In this video, we'll solve this problem combination sum. So the problem statement says we are given some candidates and a target sum, and we need to return all combinations whose sum is equals to target. And the way we do it is we say okay, we can return the combinations in any order, and same number can be chosen unlimited number of times. And two combinations are unique if the frequency of at least one chosen number is different. So let's see how do we solve it. We say okay, we'll create that solver template again. I say okay, I have some output, and the job of solver is to fill by choosing candidates from starting position 0, the target it need to fill, and this is my partial answer and this is my output. Okay, and once I'm done I return the output. So let's write the function definition. I say my solver is taking candidates idx from where it need to make the decision. I have partial, I have target, I have output. Okay, if my target is 0, which means I had already accomplished that much as sum in my partial, so my output will have partials copy. Otherwise, for I in range of idx till length of candidates plus 1, okay, that like basically from current position till all the position I can make the decision of selecting this element, right? If I only time I can make this decision is if target minus candidates of I is greater than equals to 0. At that time what I do is I say okay, partial dot append my candidates of I, which means I can choose this element. Okay, the moment I chose this element I need to explore the solution by candidates from ith position again, because I can choose this element again, right? So my partial and my target will become target minus candidates of I, because candidates I has already been consumed in the output, and my partial dot pop, this is like unchoose part, right? This was exploration. And what we can do for like small optimization is break, because at this time no need to break anything. So I think in this case we are just searching the entire array all the time. Okay, let's see. Okay, index out of bound, no, I need it till this. Okay, let's submit it. Awesome, it does. So guys, if you have any question about this problem, please let me know in the comments. I'll try to answer it. Thank you for watching.